In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the version history of a file in OneDrive to track changes, revert to an earlier version, or simply review its progression over time. This is a very useful skill to master, especially if you often collaborate with others on documents or just need to keep an eye on modifications that occur within your files. Let's start by heading over to your OneDrive dashboard. This is your main hub for all things OneDrive, where all your documents, photos, and files are housed in a neat, accessible manner. Once you're logged into your account, take a look on the left-hand side. You'll notice a section labeled My Files. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the files you've stored within your OneDrive account. As you browse through your collection, keep an eye out for the specific file you're interested in. It might be a document you're currently collaborating on, or perhaps an important report you need to keep updated. Once you've pinpointed the file you want to explore further, simply right-click on it. This action will reveal a context menu with a range of options related to file management in OneDrive. From the list of actions available to you, look for Version History. Clicking this option will take you to a new page displaying the version history of the selected file. This is where you can see detailed information about changes that have been made over time. It's kind of like having a time machine for your file, letting you see who made changes, what those changes were, and exactly when they occurred. Utilizing version history is incredibly helpful for maintaining the integrity of your documents. For instance, if you've ever accidentally deleted important information or made an edit that you later regret, you can easily use the version history to revert to an earlier version of your file. On the other hand, if you're trying to track collaborative changes, seeing who contributed what can be invaluable as well. That's all you need to do. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage and navigate the version history of any file in your OneDrive. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, having this process down pat will not only streamline your workflow, but also give you peace of mind by knowing the exact state and progression of your files at any given point. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.